Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And the reason I am making this video is because the last video which I have uploaded with the title BTC is going to make a correction, be careful. When I have uploaded, I didn't check, the sound was not there, and Paul, someone in the comment section, has pointed out that issue. So I'm just making this video again for you guys to have the understanding about the thing which I have talked about in the video. So I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So I'm gonna take the 4 hour time frame. I'm not gonna talk about the things which is happening in the 1 hour, 15 minute and 5 minute. So let's do the analysis. Not do the, but yeah, I've already done it. So I'm gonna share the main thing. So at the moment when I'm making this video, or at that time when I've also made the video, price was trading somewhere here, and still it's still trading here. So in that video, what I've said or what I've talked about is it has to do with some price level. So let me just, okay. So the main thing which people, or the traders should be looking out, or should be watching out in this BTC is the level is this level. I'm just gonna point out. Okay, so this is the level which should be, they should be watching out for. The reason is, in my previous analysis I have shared, which which I've already talked about everything which BTC was doing, and I am pointing out this level is because it is one of the major level for the time being, which is which BTC has, and the price of this level is 63627.6. And the importance of this level is the price is trading below this level. Okay, here the price is trading here, and the correction which I was pointing out with this BTC was price of this BTC eventually, or in this coming week, uh, let's say not even week, in this in the month of August, in this ongoing August month, price will go for this level, and there will be a correction around 3%, max to max 3% correction. And the major support this BTC has is this one. So let me just point out these two levels, this one 63627.6 and this one 61384.8. And I'm gonna take both the scenarios. If from its current price level, if price has to go for the upside, then what this BTC has to do is, BTC has to reclaim this level first of all. And this level is this one, the golden level, 63620 yeah, 63627.6. This is the level BTC has to reclaim, and the reclaim should be with a good candle. Good candle, what I mean by that is something like this, a big bullish candle, and it has to reclaim this level and then keep on trading above this level, and then only we will see the move for the upside. That's the first scenario. If the BTC has to go for the upside. Now what I am claiming with this BTC is, from its current price level where it is trading, what the heck was this, okay, from where it is trading, which is here when I'm making this video, it will eventually go for the downside, and the downside has to be this level, 61384. This is the major support for the BTC, and there are some of the levels which help this BTC, help in a sense that there are support. the first support the BTC has is this level 62,649.7, and then this is the second price level where BTC will get a support 62,503.9, and then this is one of the old, not that much old, but the recent 4 hour support level which BTC will try to take a support here 62,180.0. However, eventually in this case, which I think which is going to happen, is the BTC will go for this level. In between there will be some support, this one, and then this one, and then this one. So this is one of the main thing which I was talking about in my that video with the title BTC is going to make a correction. So the main thing which people or traders specifically which they should be looking out, or they should be watch out for, is for 63,627.6. This is the golden level. Okay, and then there are other level which will act as a support. These are the level 3. There are 3 levels. 62, what is this level? 62 645.6, and then this is 62,501.4, then there is 62,180, and then eventually this last level. So and this, I think, the what eventually going to happen with this BTC, and I think there, if I have to talk about this time frame specific, is the next 4 hour. I mean, this is one of the thing which I've already talked about in my one of the videos prior to BTC is going to making a correction. Prior, uploading this video, there is another video which I've uploaded with the title BTC price prediction, BTC daily update, and that has to do with the daily analysis. And what I talked about in that video is price will consolidate, and it's still in the consolidation phase. Okay, and the main this correction will gonna happen in the 3-day time frame. What I am referring, why am I referring with this 3-day time frame, is the price has closed, if you guys can see in the 3-day time frame, price has closed below one of the 3-day time frame level, which is 63,675.1, and the next 3-day is going to be sort of a, like, in the consolidation, and then eventually price will try to take a support here 62,180, and then this is the level which I'm talking about, 61,384. So first week, I think it's July, August. This is the August month. So in the August month, the first week is kind of like a this bearish side where the BTC has, and it will go for this specific level 61 384 384.8. So yeah, this is what I talked about in that video, and the main level which people should be looking out, or they should be observing, is this one 63 627.6, and this in terms of support or the main move if the BTC will make in the future, in the coming week, or in this August month. If not August, maybe September, but I am taking the August month because we are in the August month. So in the August month, price may gonna go for this level from where it is trading, this level, and then after that there is a high likelihood the price will get enough support, and then price will continue for this move. Let me make this color different, yeah, this move. And in my, I will be sharing the, the update in my future videos. If price, comes back down to this level here, the important thing about this level, this specific level, is price should be, even though price may fall below this level and maybe, trading this level, price has to reclaim this level and then keep on trading this level, and then only we might gonna see this move for this upside. This is the resistance level, the main resistance level for the August month. But in between there are other levels which I will be talking about in my future videos, which that is the future scenarios, but I'm not going to talk about it. But the likelihood is, the probability is, price will attempt to break this level, the previous uh, top, this top. So this is what I talked about. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe the channel, because if there will be some, something which I should be sharing, which I should be uploading through some of the videos, then I will talk about those in those videos, in future uploaded videos. So for that, you can subscribe, you can, click the notification, then you'll get to know about those things which I will talk about it, and then accordingly you will have the information which you should have it. So this is what I have in this video. I'm just making, this is just the re-upload, or this is just the same video. I'm just uploading it with the sound. So that's all. And let me just end with a disclaimer. There are some of the levels which I am talking about in my videos, which has to do with the levels. I mean, there are certain levels, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. There are multiple levels. And when I'm talking about all of these levels, I'm not suggesting anyone to take action on the basis of me saying, the price will bounce from here and it will go up. Do not consider my analysis as, full and final. Do not consider as 100%. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of financial decision, because I'm not responsible for all of the losses which you might gonna, incur in your own trade. Because what I'm trying to do is just to share, or just to, you know share the things which I think what might gonna happen in terms of probability. And there are certain things which I'm using, certain indicators, and these indicators not available in the market, not available in the trading view. These are my own custom made indicator, and with the help of that indicators I am sharing these analysis. And every time the levels are not going to be the same level, the market is dynamic. What I mean by dynamic is it's always going to, it's keep on updating. It's like that. So yeah, for those kind of information, you can subscribe the channel and like the video if you interested, or if you like the content which I'm sharing. And like, in a sense, if things which I am talking about in the videos, if if BTC make such or same sort of a move, then you can subscribe. You can, yeah, you can like, subscribe is the same thing, you can subscribe it, but like those specific videos. So I'm not going to tell you why you should be, liking my videos, why you should be subscribing my channels. But it has to do with the information. If you are getting the information which has to do with the levels, and to some extent it helps you out in your own analysis, then yeah, for that reason you can do such what I am referring. So yeah, this is what I have in this video, and this is just the same video. I have nothing to talk about it, so I'm gonna end this recording and see you in the next video. Bye bye, see you and take care.